What's up, Wally? How you been?
I'm good, chilling.
Say hello to the YouTubes.
Hey, YouTube, it's been a while. See a burnout?
Yeah.
Whoa! She's gone! She's gone! She's gone!
Oh shit, the rain's great. Go to the puddle, go to the puddle.
Got traction over there.
You see my shift a second though, right?
I did.
I'm scared to do it on the streets.
You son of a bitch! That hasn't happened to me so long. I'm like, why did you die?
Oh shit. Alright, let's go.
Man. So I put these new springs in.
They're good, right?
No, they're not. It might be because it needs a new clutch lever or something.
Dude,
I've already burnt out the clutch maybe, but
mine are amazing.
I still gotta yank that bitch.
Can you still shift them up? Like you hit third, fourth?
I'm in second right now.
Can you?
I can shift it there. And shift.
Damn, that's smooth. That's where I want to get. So I can't get thirds now. I can do seconds, but not thirds.
Thirds, you gotta be off the brake, and then like get to the coast section, shift it, and then tap the brake because it'll throw you back.
Does it throw?
If you're far back, because there's no power.
Does it throw you back as like aggressive as first?
Not as bad as second.
Someone told me don't pull. 2 people told me don't pull in the clutch.
Oh, dude, no, with the Grom, you have to pull it. Well, at least for my Groms, both of them, you have to do the clutch. If I try and shift without the clutch, it literally donkey kicks you. It's fucking about that life.
Yeah.
Let me get some Snapchat going, baby.
Get them snappies.
Double pegs.
Double pegs are back. Ah! Woo! I'm a little bit scared about my foot brake game. Ah! What? Hello?
Hector? I got the connected to you now.
Oh.
Everybody's here.
Hector! Double peggers are alive.
Alright, Hector, pop it up.
Pop that shit up, Hector.
Pop it up, Hector. Come on. Ready, one?
Woo! Security! Oh shit!
Oh, you got it. Up.
Damn, chop that throttle.
Yeah, I was sketchy. I was scared.
I was scared for you.
Man. Alright, let me see that chicken wing.
Chicken wing? Alright, hold on.
Come on.
Hold on, I'm going this way.
Come on, chicken wing.
See, Sanders? Oh, dang, look at them. That's not double peggers. Get out of here.
Oh, fuck.
You alright over there?
Nope.
What are you doing?
I was trying to shift the second, but I couldn't get it to the right spot. And then I lost it. I'll show you the right spot.
Alright, hold on. We'll do by the cop station, get the lights on. Dude, I kind of wish we rode on Friday when the riots were happening. The backdrop on pictures would have been amazing.
That would have been insane.
The fucking...
The cops weren't going to do anything. They were just really past riot gear the whole time. There's a cop. Yeah, just waiting down.
It might be a fake cop, though.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Because you guys don't think you're SC's parked. You don't see him to your right?
I see him.
There's a cop. Turn over. He's doing
Okay.
that clickbait, baby.
I see him.
There's 2 cops. Look at that.
I see him. I give him a wave. We're good. Oh.
Oh, no. That's exactly what I'm going to win with me.
Oh, you got it.
Come on, you got it, man. You got it.
Alright, pop it up. What the hell was that? Keep it up, 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 keep it up. Oh god, I'm stalling. Yeah, the double peggers are live. I'm gonna do some wheelies because I'm downtown not doing wheelies. Nobody wants to see Wally do wheelies and not the Photogrammer.
I want to see me do wheelies.
Oh,
you gotta tell all your bikes.
Let's go.
Alright, shift it, baby.
Nah, we'll see. I mean, I'm sure we'll get kicked out, but you know. Ah, there's a big puddle there.
There's something wrong with the front tire. It keeps going flat after that. I think it slid out. The tire doesn't.
I just slipped off the brake pedal. You want to do some wheelies, shot callers, ballers? Yeah, let's do it. Let me see if I can try to take pictures of you with this thing. I'm just gonna practice. That's what I figured. Yeah. Is he a real cop or a fake cop? Okay. Why'd you let the clutch out?
No, I don't know. Because it came back down, so I was like, but I was still...
You're really high.
Dude, that's how I fucked up the other time.
Alright, well, it looked cool. Redemption. Say, you do something like that. That actually looks kind of cool.
I gotta go faster?
I don't know. Just hit it. That was weak, bro.
Oh, no, I got it. Okay.
Actually, it kind of looks cool. That's fucking pretty sweet. So I'm using this new lens. It's a 50mm 1.4. Not a fisheye, which I usually use fisheye, so kind of cool, something different.
Oh shit, the fucking water.
Yeah.
That's a cool shot.
Go ahead. Go through here. Don't loop it. She's a cherry. Basic bitch moves. Rear set. Rear set.
Yo, that's getting clean off.
Dude, I'm about to buy some Z&Ds.
You think?
It's like my 10th one.
That's the shift side too, yeah?
Yep.
Oh, that sucks. What the fuck? Stop it! Stop it! The grinder profile pic right there. This one's gonna be tighter, so you gotta. Good luck. Remember, just hold down that button. What was that? Drew just tried to do a seat stander and slipped and fell on his dick. He just fall? He tried to jump up? I think he was trying to do a seat stander. Were you trying to jump to a seat stander?
Yeah, I guess I like slipped or something.
That was awesome. Alright, trying to get Lewis to get a shot for the gram, because I got this new lens and it's pretty sweet, but we'll see. Out of focus. Cutting my leg off. That one's okay. Out of focus, out of focus, out of focus, out of focus. Try it like that. So I put the dots more center. Just keep the dots on you, and you gotta move kind of quick. So if you're a little bit further back, you can move. It's a lot easier to pan. Try like standing right here and try to shoot that way. Yeah, from like right here.
Your subscribers and fans, all of them,
Yep.
texted me and they said they want to see a scrape.
No. I don't want to do it. It was there?
Really?
I don't want to. Man, Drew's trying to pressure me to scrape and fall down. I don't want to fall down. Ow. Scraping sucks. I'm not going to do it. I'm a bitch.
You're ready for it. You're
no.
all geared up.
I'm not. If everyone does it, I'll do it. No. If everyone does it, then I'll do it.
I gotta go in second gear.
Is Lewis doing?
He's ready.
Lewis doing the slowest burnout. Now it's broken. I'm touching wheel. Ah! I want to do wheelies. It's wheelie time. It's time for wheelies. Let's do wheelies, Wally. Streets, let's go. Let's go. I'm going right. Oh God, I'm going left. I'm just chasing. See you later, man. Oh, I didn't even see him. That's horrible. Horrible. Sell it. Where am I going? I'm gonna go this way. Last time we were out here, we were wheeling through this, and like literally got here, it looked like a cop was right there. Everyone put it down. It was a fucking security guard cop. Security. And then I looked back, it was like one of those fucking rent-a-cops. I was like, God damn it! Let's do some side-by-sides. You want to? I'm just trying to do ground wheelies, Wally. The ground's fun. Wheels up for Jesus. Well, no one else is doing. Fuck it, I'm doing wheelies. Shut up, Hector. You R3, get up there. Look, I'm coming up on you. I'm coming on you. Oh shit, there's Lewis. Still chasing. Get in the back, Lewis. Get in the back. Manhandle that thing. No, to get the fuck out. Oh, watch out, pizza box.
Pop it up. I want to get a video of you scraping.
Now that we're safe, there's no riders. We're gonna go check out check out the damage. All right, we're out here where the riots took place. No big deal. We out here.
By 10 p.m., a large crowd had gathered in the empty parking lot on the east side of University Mall.
I saw these things, these bike things with the covers. I was like, what the fuck are those? On the yeah, I seen them all hiding in there.
When the crowd got too close, police fired tear gas and less lethal ammunition.
These little cubby things. They were like putting it down and like hiding in it. You open it up, there's just a homeless person sleeping in there, or a dude still hiding from the tear gas. Them rides over yet? The K&G Fashion Superstore.
Using rocks and chunks of concrete, they broke the windows of the K&G Fashion Superstore and pelted the police.
I wonder if there's any like tear gas containers.
Probably. Go check. You want to take one? Oh, I got a rubber bullet. I think so. Come here. It's either a rubber bullet or someone's butt plug. It's a small one. We should have came out on Friday. I kind of feel like we missed out.
The truck retreated and the crowd became emboldened.
I don't want to participate, but I just wanted to watch it happen. Take some pictures, you know? Oh, you know what? Let's take a picture of the Grom in front of it. Yeah. Oh shit, this glass here. They all scared, bro. They scared about this sauce. I got the one-handers now. They don't want to be on the streets with me. You glazed over? One-hander? Yeah, you seen them? Watch. I want you watching me. First gear one-handers got good. Foot action, got hit.
They looted several businesses before setting a fire that consumed Champ Sports and a Vietnamese restaurant.
Jimmy John's didn't get hit. How did you?
They're like, we're open, come on.
Look, all the chips are stocked. They literally did not get hit. This was, I think there was like a Thai restaurant over here. Oh yeah, there's Vietnamese.
It sucks because that was a really good place.
Was it? Jewelers, they got hit, yeah. Oh, Champs got fucked.
Officials say 40 businesses were damaged, 3 by fire.
Let's see what this says. Do not enter. That's how you get Jake Pauled. Careful, man. If that collapses, I'm gonna give that jacket to Wally. All right. Anyway, so this is where the riots happened in Tampa. This was the majority of the damage for us. It's been pretty chill since that. But anyway, Wally came down. This was his old stomping grounds, doing some additional damage to the parking lot. Damn, look at them drifts. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, all that jazz. I'll see you in the next one. Give me a bloop.